What is up, guys? Cars Across Texas here today, and we're out at the Northside Movement meet. It's supposed to be a parking show, but Northside Movement is actually a takeover group. I know I don't go to takeovers anymore, but they've had some pretty chill meets pretty recently. So we're out here supporting him. He's a supporter of the channel as well, so figured we'd show some love back. There's already several cars here, and we're 30 minutes early. So let's take a look around. Let me know what your favorite car is in today's video down in the comments below. Let's get right into the action. So we got a whole lot of Mopar here already. We got these two, both with pretty crazy wraps on them. We got the bagged Durango. Look at this, it's like Tiffany blue, and then the rose roof dripping down the side. And we got this guy in the RT with the tire marks on the side. And a Trackhawk. Let's take a gander at this. It's pretty sick. Always like a good Trackhawk. Don't really see them too often. Hellcat! It's a lady cuh. What's that? Lady cuh? Is that a thing?
Camila?
La cuh? So this Mustang just pulled up, and I've never seen these headlights on a car before, on a Mustang before. I actually really like them. So like it has like the line that kind of goes under and then the normal sort of traditional light. I like it though. So we got the GTR crew rolling in, his and hers. Hi, Alan.
Hi there, how you doing?
Doing good, man.
Is it cool if I park right here?
No, absolutely not, dude.
Oh, it's not?
Dude, I'm parked right here. Alan and the Roush Mustang. So we got the new wheels on there, RTR wheels. Looking good. Howdy, my friend. Got the M6 rolling in, the matte white, new wheels, looking good. DME tuned. Oh, good lord. Yeah, stockish, baby. We do like a clean S2000 on the channel. My friends, this right here is a clean S2000. So we got the McLaren 570S rolling in. And then we got old Corey Pritchett pulling in his wide body Hellcat on the Ford Giottos. So this is the man, White Trash GT, if y'all remember him from a few videos ago. He now has a Paxton supercharger under the hood. But, I mean, still full bolts on. Don't worry, it's not a supercharger. Don't worry about it. I like those wheels a lot. I'm ruining his secrets. I guess they're already rolling out.
Are these two a couple? Really? A couple goals. Oh, that's a his one.
Is this a wrap or is this B5 blue? I think it's a wrap. I like that color a lot. No, that's a wrap, yeah. I like that color though. That's a little darker than B5 blue. It's a good wrap though. Right, yeah, okay, yeah, I got you. Another lowered Durango, it looks like, with quite a speaker setup in there. The daddy wagon. You got the pink stripes in the Charger, the Hellcat. That's a nice color. Damn, I like that color a lot. Got the Charger rolling in, we got the SV97 Mustang rolling in. Got the boys on boys on boys. I do like me a Focus RS, man. It's the dually doing a burnout! Bro, the dually just did a burnout. It's impressive, man. You got a whole lot of tire to roast back there. So this is interesting. The dually just did a burnout. I don't think I've ever seen a set of dually tire marks on the ground. Oh, big money over here. C7Z06 on the ADV ones. We got the 392 rolling in. The SS right behind, couple four-door muscle cars. Swinging and banging, eight's tying, hole of dying. You got the spirit of ecstasy on the front. Couple more, got a Mustang rolling in. Look at this though, pretty clean. Little S14. Little supercharged Mustang action. Another centrifugal. Yeah. You love to hear it. So we got Life of Corey here. We got him in this new 570 and his wide body Hellcat on the 4G autos. Which would you take? It's a pretty solid garage. Miata gang. Oh, he's winking. Leave it down in the comments. Leave it down in the comments below. Hashtag Miata gang.
Oh, this guy goes quick.
Little C5 act. The Jeep's doing a burnout. There's a cop over there. Oh my God, dude. Jeez, dude. V6 Camaro does it a burnout. The Jeep's going again, dude. What the hell? Yo, what's up? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He's doing a front wheel drive burnout.
Hey, let's go.
Yes, sir. More little JDM.
Everyone, leave the lot right now.
Oh, that has to be the girl.
Everyone, leave the lot.
That has to be the street racing crackdown girl. She's kind of a bitch. I think this cop car here, I think this is the lady that is like heading the new like anti-street racing division. What do you, why?
Go the other way.
Why? You want people to get out of the lot and you're not letting them get out of the lot. What the hell? So there's a burnout going on back there and she's just focused on not letting people out right here. I am confusion. Alrighty, boys. So we had the, I'm pretty sure it was the lady who's like the head of the street racing crackdown, whatever, come in and tell us all to leave the area. Kind of being a hoe, but we're gonna leave the area because this car has a couple things that could get it impounded with it. But we're gonna go to one more spot, then we're gonna head home. It's a little cold, so I think I want to get in some heat pretty soon. But one more spot. Let's see how it goes. That last spot lasted a full 18 minutes. Alright guys, we're here at the second location. It's kind of weird saying that because it's typically a more, I guess, takeover friendly phrase, and that's not what I do, but this means basically that. So we're here. Hopefully it lasts a little longer than 18 minutes, and let's see what happens. Alright, so we got donuts here, dude. Why am I here? So there's a G8 over here doing donuts. Why am I here? So I don't know, dude. Like, I feel kind of dirty being here. Like, I feel wrong. What the fuck, dude? He's swinging a dually.
Hell yeah.
man. I am not looking forward to editing this video and blurring all these plates. Bro, is the Jeep with a guy out the roof gonna do something?
I'm gonna flip that bitch.
What in the hell? He's yelling something. I can't understand though. These dudes have like 7 people in this damn Charger. Riding out the windows.
He's like, I'll swing you, and I was like,
Is Corey gonna do a donut in the McLaren?
no. He's not stupid.
He ain't about it. He putting the door up though. Why is there 3 dudes on the roof of this Escalade? I'm confusion. There's a burnout happening here. That's far away though. I'm gonna stay right here and I'm gonna record it. A sneaky little boy. Alrighty, I guess I didn't really expect that to happen. I kind of expected it to happen, but not really. I don't know. A little bit different from what I normally do. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Figured while I'm there, might as well get the content, you know. But let me know if you want more videos like this. I'm not going to be doing takeovers really, like ever. Just a one-time thing while I was already here. So I figured might as well get the content for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.